Why it's showing half of me, but I gotta get this right. Hold on. What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I work out at home. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do a workout in the comfort of your home. And in this video, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the full, watch the whole video. And if you haven't already, make sure you stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy at home workout videos. So let's get right into the video. So first, what I like to do is start off with a good stretch. So you want to make sure you always stretch before you do any type of workout. Like to work out with my waist shaper. You guys can also click the link down below or on the screen to shop these waist shapers. Come in extra small, small, medium, and large. But I like to work out with this sometimes. This is a size extra small. As you can see, this one says strong, this one says extreme, and I have another one that say medium or normal, something like that, but I'm gonna work with extreme. got my natural hair, then sweated. I am done with my workout. If you guys made it to the end of this video, that means you guys are ready to enter into the giveaway. So basically, to enter the giveaway, of course, you have to be subscribed, like this video, and also comment down below any little thing, something nice about anything you do to work out, how you do what you do to work out, any little thing you guys to enter into the giveaway. I will be picking several winners for this giveaway, but you guys have to subscribe. I will see if you subscribe or anything like that. For the giveaway, you guys will, I'm out of breath. I'm tired, y'all. I don't know if y'all see I'm sweaty. I'm ready to take this off because I'm sweaty. The giveaway winner will receive one of these workout fits that I have on. I don't know if you guys were able to tell. Let me take this off so you guys can see it. The top part, I got this over it, but this is the workout fit. This is the back of it. It's a full body workout fit, and it comes in 2 different colors. It comes in green, and it also comes in pink, and I have small, medium, and large. So like I said, enter the giveaway. You guys have to subscribe, like this video, and also comment something down below. Either you comment something nice or comment something you do for a workout routine or something to keep your heart rate going, get active, any little thing like that. Y'all see Mariah? Yeah, any little thing like that. Just make sure you comment and make sure you subscribe, because I will be checking to see if you subscribe. So I'm trying to give a few people a chance to win, not just one. So yeah, make sure you guys do that, and I will be sending you guys workout fit. Oh yeah, you also have to follow me on Instagram, so that will be my way of contacting you. DM, so you guys can send me your address so I can send you guys out. And the workout fit is a full body, as you guys can see. Full body, very comfortable, not too heavy, not too light. It's great for a workout, to be comfortable. So if you guys want to win one of these fits that I have on, not the shapers are not included in the giveaway, but you guys are also able to purchase these shapers on my website. I'll leave the link down below for the website so you guys can shop these shapers. They're very great for sweating. They're not like the regular kind that people kind of waist shape. These are mostly for a workout. They're great for, like I said, sweating. So yeah, if you haven't done so, make sure you give this video thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enter the giveaway, and good luck. See you in the next video.